Hello again, everyone. This is Joey Marcelo, the CEO of Shante. We are already here at Sydney Airport, heading back home. We just concluded our 8-day travel to Christchurch, New Zealand to visit the manufacturing facility of Sante for barley grass. Kasama ko mga Filipinos and Indonesians, and we all had great fun. And this is already part 6 of my Sante Barley Story series. And this is not anymore answering a question, but this is already a message to everyone about barley grass and about the distributors and suppliers of different barleys in the Philippines and all over the globe. Well, why barley grass? Simply because I believe we have one of the best um, plants that was ever created by God. Yun ang masasabi ko. We've proven for the past 17 years that tea is really a staple product. Alam niyo, talking about a product or a trend, usually it lasts only mga 4 or 5 years eh. Pero true enough, we've been doing this for the past 17 years and our market is still growing. When we started it, it's just us, di ba? There are a handful of competitors. They disappeared already. It was Sante na tumagal, and right now there's a lot of other competitors, or what I can say, other producers and distributors of barley grass, and all companies are growing. So it only means one thing. We've already proven that barley is a stable product. Barley is here to stay. Ang pinag-uusapan na lang dito is who are the companies who will continuously develop their brand, promote their product, focus on not only the business side of direct selling, but focus on helping people, focus on building the brand, continuously innovating, continuously expanding, so as to make their brand continuously relevant, not only at present, but in the years to come. All right, so for sure, I'm confident with this. Barley grass is really maybe the top selling food supplement in the Philippines right now with different brands, different players, but all are not only surviving, but everyone are thriving. Ang laki. Ang laki nito. And again, siguro what I'll do right now is I would just like to send a message to all people who's marketing barley grass in the Philippines and soon all over the globe. Different brands, different suppliers, different strategies. Siguro what I can say is, I hope let's not treat each other as competitors. Hindi tayo magkakalaban dito. Remember, as Filipino entrepreneurs, our goal is to continuously build on what we have, continues to promote entrepreneurship sa mga Pilipinos. And pare-pareho naman ang goal natin eh. Hindi lang lumaki sa Pilipinas at lumaki tayo sa buong mundo. Remember, partners and friends, I'm not only talking to our distributors and business owners in Sante. I'm talking to all distributors of other barley companies all over the Philippines and all over the globe. Napakalaki ng mundo para maglaban-laban at mag-away-away tayo. We don't have to do that. Alright? We don't have to badmouth other companies just to show that we're the better brand or that we're the better player. We don't have to blow other people's scandal just to show that ours is brighter. We don't have to put down other brands, other companies para makabenta lang tayo. Napakalaki ng market sa buong mundo. Philippines is just our starting point. I don't consider you as competitors. In fact, I consider you as allies because we're fighting for the same advocacy, di ba? We're proving to the world that barley is really the number one food supplement and can be the best possible product that is here for a long, long time till the next generations. Hindi natin kailangan maglaban-laban, hindi natin kailangan magtalo-talo. What we need to do is continuously build our brand, continuously build barley grass, and maniwala kayo, lahat tayo may market na mabibuild. We have to think, we have to have what we call as the prosperity mentality, prosperity mindset. That there's enough for everyone. Everyone can succeed. Everyone can flourish. Na-discover natin ang barley grass, hindi dahil magagaling tayo, hindi dahil matatalino tayo. Na-discover natin though because it's bound to happen. It's bound to happen that a powerful product called barley grass will really grow globally. Hindi ba kayo natutuwa? Tayo pang mga Pilipino ang pwedeng magpalakas nito sa buong mundo. Yes, we have different sources, different strengths. My challenge to everyone is just focus on building your strength. Don't talk about other companies. Don't find faults in other companies. Just try to build on what you have, promote on what you have, and I know and I believe that you will be blessed in the process. You will create a solid foundation, you will create a solid market. Just what Sante is doing. All right? I'm talking to you. If you're listening to me, I'm not here to sponsor or recruit you. I'm not here to ask you to try our products or buy our products. No. What I'm telling you is, let's be allies in this business. Let's not compete, but let's complete one another so that Filipino entrepreneurs can grow globally. We are building our brand. I'm praying and hoping that you build your brand. And I know that very soon, magkita-kita man tayo sa ibang bansa, hindi tayo magkakalaban, magkakampi tayo because we're fighting for the same advocacy. And everyone, maybe that concludes my Sunday Barley Story series. This is part 6 of my video. And I'm really hoping and praying that for the past 6 videos, past 6 days, marami po kayong natutunan sa mga kinuwento ko sa inyo. Again, I would like to thank everyone for trusting Sante. I would also like to thank everyone who's watching right now for trusting barley grass as a food supplement, as a product that can help a lot of people in terms of their health. Maraming salamat sa trust, and rest assured that the next coming years will be big for a lot of companies, not only in the Philippines but in the world, with the same advocacy, diba? The same passion of moving a very powerful product. Again, we're here right now at Sydney Airport. In a few minutes' time, we're about to board, heading back to the Philippines and Indonesia. And everyone is excited because we see again how powerful barley grass is. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. This is Joey Marcelo, an advocate of barley grass. And as always, we're here to help people live more and do more in Sante. Joey Marcelo, I'm the CEO of Sante, and I'm on grass. God bless you all.